Number 1. Cardiovascular exercise. This includes activities like running, swimming, cycling, and aerobic exercises. Cardiovascular exercise increases your heart rate and improves your overall cardiovascular health. It also helps to prevent chronic conditions such as heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Number 2. Strength training. This involves using weights or resistance to build and tone muscles. It benefits the heart and lungs by improving cardiovascular endurance, regulating blood pressure and cholesterol levels, and reducing the risk of heart disease. Number 3. Yoga. This ancient practice includes a variety of poses, breathing techniques, and meditation. It improves flexibility, balance, and posture, while reducing stress, anxiety, and depression. Number 4. Pilates. This form of exercise incorporates a series of controlled movements targeting the core muscles. It improves posture, strength, and flexibility, while reducing back pain and improving balance. Number 5. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. This involves alternating short bursts of high-intensity exercise with active recovery periods. It improves cardiovascular fitness, increases metabolism, and burns fat more efficiently.